Hey guys, we are headed into Dollar Tree to see what's new for fall. I am so excited. We're doing it. For fall, absolutely. But the Dollar Tree is rolling out some of their brand new crafting finds, and today I want to share with you my favorites I can't wait to craft with this year. And because I've been on YouTube for so long, do a throwback to some of my favorite fall DIYs I've ever made, things that help you think outside the box that have stood the test of time. I want you to leave here today feeling so good, we could all use that right now, and so inspired. So let's fall into it. First, we're kicking it off with an autumn staple, pumpkins. They have so many new options in store this year. Some of my favorite were the velvet pumpkins and the sparkly pumpkins, and they even had monogrammed ones that remind me of items you find for $6 or $7 at Kirkland's. Every year we always end up buying the foam pumpkins, and if you're wondering how you can use them to decorate around your home, you can spray paint them any color of your choice and stick candles inside. These are so beautiful. You could also take old sweaters that you have and wrap it around the pumpkins. These are so classic and cozy, perfect for autumn. And don't sweater, it's way easier than it looks. They also have tons of pumpkin picks. These look adorable on countertops. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. It'll give you pumpkin to talk about. And when you're in store and seeing all the signage, think outside the box. How could you use them? I really like taking old items that you have that you're maybe no longer using, flipping them over, giving them a new coat of paint, and adding a sign on top of it. Layering signs like this is completely free. You're just spending $1 for the new item and can totally transform a space on a budget. So we've got fall in the front and party in the back. These signs are new this year. That's a good motto to live by. I think I bought a few more than I thought I did, but I'm really excited to work with them. They had some brand new ones this year. This little pumpkin, and I also love the farmhouse style of this one. This farm fresh pumpkin sign is my secret favorite. This would be $6 or $7 in any other store, and I think it is so cute standalone. And they brought back the galvanized letters this year. And this is easy to take a piece of stained scrap wood and add this on. The little pumpkins can represent your family. It looks so good in any entryway. Dear gourd, it's so cute. The best welcome ever. And these were some brand new ones. I was thinking about making some sort of wall hanging. Maybe this could be on the front door. Should I stain these? What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. I can't wait to share. And there's no way I could bring you guys a fall video without talking about candles. And Dollar Tree has some amazing new options this year. They also have spiced pumpkin candles. This could be a really cool combination. This particular jar is stunning in person and not to be missed. And I love these oversized lanterns using 4 Dollar Tree frames, a do-it-on-a-dime oldie. And here's 2 creative candle ideas you have to try. Take a Dollar Tree candle and Dollar Tree cinnamon sticks, hot glue them around the outside, and man, this amps up any display. I also love Dollar Tree sand, Dollar Tree hurricane bases, and the mini pumpkins. This looks beautiful on any table. I got so many compliments on this one 2 years ago. You guys know I am a total sucker for Dollar Tree wreaths. I make them almost every year, probably because I love it so much. But here are some creative ways to use wreaths you may not have thought of. The first is around candles to help give it a cozy ambiance. You can also add them right on your tablescape and stick pumpkins inside for added texture. And I also love to add the Dollar Tree scarves as runners on the table. This elevates any look for just about $5.
I know that
you can also add the wreaths directly to plank wood that you pick up from the hardware store. I made this home sign a couple of years ago, and all of the DIYs that you see featured in this video, if you want a more specific tutorial, I will be sure to link them in the description box below. It brings me so much joy to know that everything in this video is all from the Dollar Tree. Simple and easy DIYs. I think we could all use that right now. And oh man, I am so glad that you are here. If you are brand new, would you click that subscribe button, join the Dime Tribe, because I want to catch you in the next video. I'm grateful for you guys. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. And I will catch you in the next one. See you there. I'm kind of freaked out right now because there's only C's, S's, and K's, which is our initials. Should I be freaked out? I should be freaked out. It's like they knew. Does the Dollar Tree know I'm coming? I don't know.